Let's take a look at how easy it is to find the exact message template you need in Clarity Flow. As a coach, you probably find yourself sending the same message over and over again, whether it's frequently asked questions from your clients, tips that you want to offer again and again, or even a welcome message that you'd like to send to each new coaching client. Rather than recording a similar message over and over again, you can create message templates that live in your Clarity Flow library. So let's say I'm consistently getting asked by my clients for tips to optimize their LinkedIn profile. I can create a message template with my best tips that's easily dropped into those conversations so that they can get my advice without me having to reinvent the wheel and record a new message each time. It's easy to search for the exact template that you're looking for in your library. Let's click this magnifying glass next to library in this side menu. That brings up a search bar where I can search for my template by name. In this case, I'll search for LinkedIn because I know that's related to the name of my message template. It surfaces in these search results right away, and I can click this result and be brought directly to my template where I could review it or make changes. It's also just as easy to drop a template into a conversation. Let's click New Conversation on my main conversation page and select Library from this dropdown. It brings up this search bar where, again, I can search for a template by name. Whenever you search, it's searching your single message templates as well as your thread templates. So if I type in LinkedIn here, I can see my message template surfaces in those results as well. Alternatively, I could select this select a template option and select either a single message template or thread template, and that would bring up a drop-down menu of all of my different message templates that live in my library. You can also search your message templates or your library in your global search in Clarity Flow. So on my main conversations page, if I click the search icon up here, it's going to search. I can select whether to search conversations, messages, contacts, or my library. So again, if I select library, I can type in LinkedIn here and it brings up that message template option that again, I can click and be brought to review or edit that template. It's a super helpful time saver, especially if you find yourself saying the same things to your clients over and over again. And with the search feature, it's easy to find the exact template you need without having to scroll through all of the templates you've created.